Hello, in this video I will explain you all the things you need to know about packaging. Packaging is globally a physical container that protects your product. It means that it's globally all the formats under which you will see your product. In the case of the eggs, for example, you will see eggs in a box of 6 or in a box of 12. It could be also a pallet with I don't know how many eggs inside. But the idea is that the packaging is specific to one product, and you know each time how many units that will be inside. Um, how to activate this feature in Odoo is just you go to, as usual, in Inventory, Configuration, and then in the Settings, under the section Products here, you will see the option Packaging. As soon as you have activated this option, you will see on your product form, I have created for you one product, that is the bottle of water. You will see under the tab Inventory that you can create packaging. You can decide to create your packaging. I will say here box of I don't know of two. I will say that it's 12 units inside. And so you can decide that this packaging will be only available for sales or for purchase or for both. And you can also associate a barcode. This packaging notion will be visible on the PO, on the SO, and on the stock moves. And the barcode will help you to go faster when you process your pickings. I will show you that quickly. So here I save. And I will first create a SO. So I click on create and I will choose Deco Addict. Pour some bottle of water and I will say that I will take 6 bottles, so it means that it's a pack of 6. I can confirm and you will see that for the stock moves, you will have this notion of packaging available. You have in addition another possibility with the packaging that are set on the product category. So here I will go to my product bottle of water to see in which category the product is. You have this extra possibility of to decide if you can deliver partial packagings or only full packaging. So here it means that, for example, if a person order a pallet and you have less than a pallet in stock, in this option you are able to deliver, and this one you are not able to deliver. So I will show you how it looks like. So now I will create, I will go to sale. I will create again an order for a bottle water, and I will take a pallet. You have here a pop-up saying that inside the pallet I have 120 units, so I need to set 120 units here to have my full pallet. Okay, here I can save and confirm my SO. You will see here that if I go here, my move will be in waiting because I don't have a full pallet in stock. If I look at my stock, you will see that in fact I have only 100 units inside. So as it's a full packaging that is proposed, I'm not able to process my picking due to that. If I want to have the other option, and if you want like to see the difference, here I will take the other option. I will take partial reservation. I save. And now if I go back on my picking and I check the ability, I will be able to take partially the stock available. There are 6 that are already reserved in the other move. It's why you have here 94. Now we'll show you the same things, but with the purchase, and I will show you how is it useful to use also this packaging, but to add a barcode on the packaging. So if, for example, I will buy some bottle of water to a supplier, and I will buy a full pallet also. And I can confirm. I have here my reception to process. This is the in12, and I will look at now my barcode. If I go to my operation, then to my receipt, I have here my receipt with my bottle. And instead of using here, if I have my product inside in front of me with the barcode of my palette, I can just scan my palette. Here I do it with simulation. If I remember well, my barcode of my palette was 67890. And if I click here, I will show you first the other packaging. So it was a box of 6. So if I scan the number 12345, I will have 6 bottle here. I can remove if I want the quantity here and say that in fact I have scanned nothing, it was a mistake. So I will just confirm here, and then here I will scan now my full palette that was with the barcode 67890. And if I do that, I have my 120 units scanned in once. So it's really useful in this case to use the notion of the packaging. I can validate my move. Now I would like to show you something else that was added on the packaging possibilities. So if you go on the route, for example here, you have the possibility to create route and to apply it on a packaging. It's what I did here. So I said that when I deliver a pallet, instead of being in several steps, with the pallet it goes faster. I just pick the pallet and I move it to my customer. So I will apply this only link to my packaging, and I will say that it's for my palette. So here I have set that. Now I will go to my product bottle of water, and on the inventory tab I will click here to see the extra option, and I will say that my palette will use the route deliver in one step. So I see it as available as I have choose the option on the route that is available for the packaging. So now if I go back on my on a SO, for example, I will create a new quotation, and I will take, for example, Deco Addict again. I will take another product. I will take, for example, the acoustic block or something else. Yeah, the door block, perfect. And then the bottle of water, and here I will take again a full palette. So it's the palette that is proposed here. I don't have enough stock, but it's not a problem here for the demo. I confirm, and you will see here that I have 3 deliveries to manage. Three deliveries, it's not 3 deliveries, but 3 pickings to manage. There is one here that goes to stock to output, then output to customer. That is for the product Tower Black. And this is this one that is direct, that goes from stock to customer for my bottle of water. So I can decide that for specific packaging, it can go faster with another route, or you can manage that also for the entrance. But so it's an extra option, really useful, that you can use with the packaging. I think I made globally the turn of what I wanted to show you. So I wish you a nice day, and see you.